What's up guys, welcome back to another video of Lace Tech. I am your host Caleb Lacey, and today's a special video. As you can see here, I have some different app icons. And you can see that I have iOS, god dang it. I have macOS Big Sur icons on my iPhone XR. And trust me, this is going to get interesting. There are two ways to get icons or different icons on your phone. One of them is going through the shortcuts, and the other one is going through this website called iskin.tooliphone.net, which I will leave a link to that in the description below. So definitely go check them out. This is the easier way to do it without using shortcuts. Much less time. And really, it's nice. Now, they don't only have Big Sur themes. They have many other themes. They have iOS 6 themes. So if you go here, you can see that they have all the iOS 6, everything. And it looks really nice. You got Spotify, Twitter, WhatsApp, Yelp, or just typical other stuff. Now they don't exactly have these are only third-party apps. Now I am looking at other stuff, trying to find easier ones, but you can see they have dark app, simple, dark, everything, and they just really have a lot of other things. So so you can see that they have a lighter theme of the same thing, which looks really nice. I like that. So I'm going to show you how to do this. This is a profile. So if I go into settings, okay, I do have to mention, when you open apps, okay, it sometimes works, some apps work, some apps don't. The phone app doesn't exactly work. The settings app doesn't work. Well, neither does the FaceTime app. But other apps, like the App Store, it'll take you there. If I go to, let's say, Twitter, so you can see I have different app icons for these two for third-party apps. So if I go over to Twitter, you can see that all these are up here, and it just opens fluidly. So yeah, so I'm going to take you through all the steps. So be happy that I am going to risk losing my home screen setup. So if you guys want like a reference, I highly suggest screenshotting each page to see what apps you actually have on your screen and widgets, whatever, because it will be confusing and you will forget where things were. So I'm going to go to settings. Actually, I have to find it. So I'm going to go to settings, okay, and I'm going to go to general, profiles, and I'm going to delete that profile. So I'm going to remove it just to show you guys how to do it. So you can see all these apps are now gone. So what I'm going to do also is I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to go down to reset. And I'm gonna reset home screen layout. So now you can see everything is reset, no widgets, no nothing. So let's go through what you should do and how to do this. So I'm not gonna do Big Sur. Like I said, there are many other icon packs out there, such as this one. Or if I go back up here, there are many more. Windows 7, iOS 6. And all this. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do in this case is I'm gonna do just a simple flat black flat, and what you want to do is you want to go to application icons and you want to select which ones you want on there. With me, I want everything, so I'm gonna come here, and you can see also you can change the naming of these. So you can change it to, like, this should be phone. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna type in phone, and then it's going to be down, and then YouTube, Apple Watch, podcast photos, and just whatever it is. So I'm going to rename Passbook to Wallet. And this is going to take a little bit to go through and really just find all the stuff that you really need that you have on your phone. So I'm going to go through here, and I'm going to go through all the apps I have/need, and I'm going to click, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click Generate Theme. So what happens is it's going to pop up the link. This website is trying to download a configuration profile. We want to click that, and then profile downloaded. So now you want to go to your settings, go to profiles, and then go and click install once you get that. So then you're going to want to type in your password and then install, and then now you're done. So when you come over here, you can see you have all these other apps. So phone, you can see here maybe if it works or not. This will take a little bit of time to do. So yeah, so I think certain apps work, certain apps don't. Like I said, so podcasts, you can see I clicked on podcast and opened it up. Now this doesn't require shortcuts, okay? The shortcuts app is not needed for all this. Now I'm going to show you, and really you can just set this up any way you want. It's not going to set up by itself, so it'll set up any way you want. And this works thanks to the app library. So if you just want one of these on here, like YouTube, if I come over here and I click on it, let's just move it right here. You can see now I have 2 YouTube apps. Now, thanks to the app library, you can remove the app and you can move it to the app library. As you can see right here, you can move this to the app library, and it's now removed from the home screen. And you can see here I have the YouTube app, and it just opens up automatically just like that. Now you will have the untitled thing, and it'll just take you back. So it's pretty much opening 2 apps at the same time. So you just want to go out of that, go out, and all of that. So that's one way to do it. The easiest way, I think. The hardest part of doing that is just putting everything in the correct spot that you need it. So like I said, definitely take screenshots of before so you know where it was so you don't forget. I definitely made that mistake of not doing that. So like I said, I will leave a link to this down below in the description if you guys want the easier way to do this. Now the other way to do this is with the Shortcuts app. Okay. Now if I come here, and I do have some I do have some pictures of older iOS icons. So if I come here, you can see I have Big Sur, I have the Settings app, or that. So if I come here and I go to Shortcuts, okay, and I go to Messages, open Messages, I'm gonna want to add that to home screen, okay? So I'll take you through how to do this. So you want to click Add Action, and you want to click Scripting. Now once Scripting comes up, you're going to want to open the app, and then want to click Choose, and then you have all these different apps to choose from. So in my case, I'm going to show you guys Settings. So if I come here, okay, and I want to click those 3 dots. Don't forget to click those 3 dots, okay? So I'm going to come here, and I'm going to name this to Settings. Add a home screen. And I did previously do this as Messages, but I just want to show you guys how to do this with a different app. Now you can do this with any app. This is the method that takes longer. So now I want to type in Settings. Okay. And I want to choose the photo. And you can see I have the Settings app. I want to click Choose. add, done, done. And now you can see I have the iOS 6 icon right there. Now if I click on settings, it will work. It'll take you through shortcuts first, and then it'll take you to the settings. So that's another way to do it. Okay, so another one that everyone is doing with their widgets is using this app called Color Widgets or Widgetsmith. Now in this case, I'm going to show you color widgets. Now if I come to color widgets, you can see that there are many different widgets that you can choose from, like green or just different pictures that you can do. So in this case, I'm going to do the green. Okay, and I'm going to edit the widget. So this widget will tell you the time. You have different fonts to choose from, and different color themes to do. So you have all these colors. You have light, colored, or dark mode. And so I personally kind of like the colored with this green. So if I want a background photo, I can. So if I click add photo and I come up and I find some sunset pics I took while the sky was cloudy like this, I'm going to click that, and now you can see that I have that picture set for that widget. Okay, so I want to come here and I want to click set widget. Okay, follow the instructions and the question mark button to add it to your home screen. So what you want to do is you want to press and hold right here, and you want to click the plus. Okay, okay, that's totally not strange. So what we want to do is we want to go down to color widgets, and I want this one. Okay, I want to click add widget, and boom, it's right there. Done. Maybe. Now for some reason it didn't. Oh wait, there we go. So there it is. You can see that it does have 34% Monday, September 21st, and it's somewhat accurate. It does have to refresh. So with time, it does. The battery widget still has to refresh on this. But yeah, so that is how you customize your iPhone. No jailbreak, no nothing. And definitely leave a like if you guys enjoyed this. Leave a comment down below. Like I said, I will leave a link to that website down below in the description. First link you will see. So yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. See ya.